Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Chad Evans with a look at your daily weather forecast video, sponsored always by Trent Johnson State Farm. TrentIsMyAgent.com, and we thank Trent for all of his undying support for this daily weather forecast video that we can show sometimes 7 days a week, but at the very least 5 days a week. And we showed this video yesterday due to the impending weather with the slippery roads we were going to have this morning. And one map that I showed yesterday and last night was additional snowfall accumulation. This was the map that was shown. I used the HRRR model as a backdrop and then kind of label where I thought 3 to 6 inches would be, 1 to 3, and then perhaps a little bit less than an inch in our far western counties. And of course you see the city names here: Lafayette, Monticello, Rochester, Remington, and Crawfordsville. These were the totals from CoCoRaHS observers, National Weather Service co-op observers, as well as just private weather observers that sent their reports in. And we had 6.5 inches from the CoCoRaHS observer up here at DeMont, 4 inches north of Winnemac, but most of the area was about 1 to 3. Inch and a half Delphi, I had an inch and a half here in Lafayette, had a report of 2 inches on the far northwest side of West Lafayette. We had 3.3 inches from our CoCoRaHS observer over near Mulberry in Clinton County. Randy Rogers had 2.5 inches on the east side of Frankfort, a little less than an inch south of Greentown, but 2 inches at Lebanon, a little more than an inch here southwest of Crawfordsville, an inch at Covington. Reports of an inch here northeast of Logansport, and only around an inch at Monticello. Inch and a half at Remington, and only a half an inch at Rockville. So a few lighter totals here and over here. This is mostly 1 to 3. And then the north, those are the highest amounts. Up in the north, I even had at Lake Village 10 inches of snow this morning. We had some really intense lake effect banding from about Gary, Indiana back to Monmouth, Illinois, with more than a foot that was reported. Now, in the headlines, we've got a few more snow showers right now. There is a little bit of a lake effect band moving through the area, but then that goes away tonight. We've got a big warm up ahead, a windy warm up. And believe it or not, like we've been saying for a while, we could still be pushing or hit 70 by the weekend with some showers and storms ahead, and then it will get colder again. We're still going to get some more snow showers before Thanksgiving and certainly colder weather. So this is the loop of the clouds and the snow last night and through this morning. This little vortex, this little disturbance dropping southward, the backside of our low pressure, and also a little bit of a lake effect band almost tied up in that. So there's that little vortex and a little bit of a lake effect band here. And then here's the other lake effect band coming in this afternoon. That's putting down some dustings, Pulaski down into White and Carroll counties. But in between the two, we've had some sun in places, and that's the case. This is all snow cover. This is cloudiness here. So the snow cover shows up very well today, but when you get lake effect snow, you can go from clouds and heavy snow showers to sun in a short period of time, and that's what we've got going on in parts of the area now, because these are some snow showers, snow squalls from Winnemac up here to south of Knox. And then some other snow showers, Royal Center down to Rockfield and near Delphi. And this has actually put out some dustings and half-inch amounts of snow and reduced visibility as the individual snow showers are sliding kind of southeastward, but the actual band is moving northeastward and will exit the area with time. So this is what it looked like when that little band went through areas west of Monticello. Some pretty heavy snow showers there. This is Francisville, 421. You can see the distant snow showers falling here in that lake effect band. Here we are south of Roselawn, where we had some of the heavier snowfall amounts. And then in Lafayette, a lot of melting going on. There's Highway 26 and I-65 with the lake effect clouds. Here's another view west of Reynolds on 24. The distant snow falling here you can see. And then there's some of the snow falling. You can see here the sun is out on this side of the highway. It's dark and we can see the snow falling in the distance east of Brookston on 18. 32 Delphi, 32 at the Purdue Airport. It's 32 Logansport, 29 down here at the Zionsville Airport. We're 30 at Kentland. So that little band pulls away. The clouds pull away tonight, but as quickly as that happens, high and mid-level clouds stream in from the northwest. So here's your lake effect pushing away. High and mid-level clouds stream in. We'll have clouds, a lot of clouds around tomorrow for Veterans Day. This is a warm front and then a cold front coming through as a little clipper zips through the area. May produce a few isolated snow and sleet showers tomorrow, but shouldn't amount to much at all. It shouldn't be a big deal, about 20% coverage, and then after that, it gets much warmer, and we watch showers and thunderstorms. Look at that, coming to the area towards very late in the weekend, like Saturday evening, night, Sunday, and then into Monday, some soaking rainfall coming in. You can see from the southwest with much warmer temperatures. These are numbers above normal in the orange and pink. But look what happens after that. The blues coming back in. See those right there? That is colder weather coming in before Thanksgiving. And we got the risk of more snow showers. Tonight, though, other than a couple lake effect snow showers in the northeast at 8, we see some clearing with a low down to about 19 in Greater Lafayette, but 15 Wheatfield, 20 Flora, 21 Lebanon. It would probably get colder if not for that southwest wind coming in as our warm front approaches, and clouds will be on the increase tomorrow, and perhaps a few isolated snow and sleet showers late morning through the afternoon, but windy. Winds gusting 30 to 43. They'll be sustained 20 to 25. So that 35 at noon and 40 at 3 p.m. is going to feel cold. Wind chills will be in the 20s to right around freezing, with highs 38 Rochester to about 43 down towards like Kingman and Cayuga. Now on Wednesday, a lot of sunshine. Overall, fairly nice day if you don't mind the wind, of course. Winds gusting 28 to 40, strong out of the west, but only 35 for the low in the morning, but a 52 by afternoon, and highs mid-40s Wheatfield to Rochester to upper 50s. Look at that. Cayuga down to Rockville be in the mid to upper 50s. Vedersburg, 54 Pine Village, 51 Flora. Frankfort, Michigan town up around 51 degrees. 55 Thursday, still windy. Windy Friday, 64, 70 on Saturday. In the evening, some showers and thunderstorms coming in. Some scattered showers, a few thunderstorms on Sunday. And then we watch for a few showers Monday, cooler. And it does get cooler after that. High only near 40 early next week. And then we warm back to the 50s before we turn even colder after that, with highs back into the 30s with some snow showers before Thanksgiving.